What's up guys, Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we are going to be checking out OtterBox's Symmetry lineup for the all-new iPhone 13, 13 Pro, and the 13 Pro Max. So I have two models to share with you guys. This is the normal Symmetry case, which is now MagSafe compatible in a nice blue color, and then we have OtterBox's Pop Series case in black. Unfortunately, these ones aren't MagSafe compatible because of the pop thing here, but it's a nice little addition to have for those of you who want to make it easier to grasp your phone. So the Symmetry case still retains that hybrid design. You got a polycarbonate back shell as well as your rubber sides. You can see the MagSafe function on the back here, and this also features OtterBox's new button cover design, which are separate plastic pieces from the rubber that make them feel more like actual buttons and better tactile feedback. Here's a quick look at the Pop Series model, again in all black. And the cool thing about these Pop models is that you can change this piece here with different colors that you can buy separately off of OtterBox's website. Alright, so let's slap the iPhone in this case. Quick note, my iPhone 13 won't be here until a couple more days. Thanks a lot UPS. So I will demo this with my iPhone 12 Pro, which it is, these cases are backwards compatible with. For those of you with the older iPhones, the only difference is that the camera module on the iPhone 13 is a little bit bigger. But anyways, we'll go volume button side first. And it should just pop into place. There we go. Nice and snug fit. So here's what the Symmetry case looks like on the iPhone. This is a nice color for those of you who picked up the Sierra blue, if you want a nice blue matching case. So quick overview of this case. First off, the Symmetry case is compatible with my tempered glass screen protector as it was last year, so you don't have to worry about the case lifting it up or anything like that. It does have that rubber material that surrounds the entire border of the iPhone and lips just above the glass display. On the side here, we have the OtterBox logo engraved in the rubber, the power button cover, and of course the covers for the volume rockers as well. You get a nice tactile feedback when you press on them, and thanks to OtterBox's new button cover design, they feel like actual buttons and don't require a whole lot of pressure to actuate. And next to that we have the cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch. On the bottom of the case, you have three individual cutouts for the stereo speakers, mic, and lightning port. And lastly, on the back here, the entire back does have a nice smooth matte finish. The OtterBox logo engraved on the bottom, a precision cutout for your camera lens module with a blacked out finish around the cutout to reduce any flash issues. And I think that's pretty much it. Here's a quick comparison between the new series case and the Symmetry case. Very similar cases, both are hybrid style cases, both are MagSafe compatible. They just look a little bit different. I will give the edge for the new series case on protection because it is a little bit thicker, so slightly thicker, so you could argue it's a little bit more protective. And I still also give the edge to the new series case that it's easier to pop your phone in and out of because the Symmetry case is a little bit more of a tighter fitting case. Alright, let's check out the Pop Series case here. We'll slap our iPhone in. Let's see if it goes on as easy as the other ones. Oh wow, this one's, wow, this one's a little bit harder to put on for some reason. Let's see if we can go this way. There we go. Alright, so here's what the Pop Series Symmetry case looks like on the iPhone. I had to do a little bit of a different installation. Normally I go button side first and then snap your phone in, but I had to go top side first and then snap your phone in because I found the black rubber to be a little bit more stickier, I guess, to pop the iPhone in that way. But anyways, I got it in, so try those two methods out, whichever works. But yeah, identical to the original Symmetry case in regards to looks, except for the pop feature on the back here. It seems like a really silly thing at first, but when you use it, you realize that the pop feature on the back here just gives you that much of a better grip and grasp on your iPhone, especially if you're holding it with one hand. So it really does make a difference, and there's a reason why OtterBox brings it back every year, because people do like this pop feature. Now there are a couple drawbacks with the Pop Symmetry case. The first major one is that you lose wireless charging and MagSafe compatibility. And I'm assuming that's just because the added thickness that the Pop feature makes this case too thick to the point where your phone is just too far away from the wireless charging pad. I tried this out on 3 different wireless charging pads. None of them would connect. So that is, or could be, a big deal breaker for those of you who use that function a lot, including myself. One last thing I want to mention is because of the curved back with that pop feature, for those of you who like to use your iPhone on a desk, it's going to be difficult to do because the case wobbles a lot. However, on the regular Symmetry case, because it's got a nice flush back, you don't have to worry about that with the normal model. Overall, the Pop Symmetry case certainly has its place in the Symmetry lineup. That being said, because you lose a couple major features of the new iPhone, that can be, of course, a bit of a deal breaker for those of you looking at this case. And before I conclude this video, let's see how well this thing comes off. So I usually go bottom corner with the Symmetry case, lifts it up. Let's try around the camera lens. Alright, so it doesn't come off too bad. I would not recommend skins with cases because they do damage them, but that's not OtterBox's fault. But yeah, comes off pretty easily, so it's not too bad of a case to put on and off your iPhone. In conclusion, guys, if you're in the market for a protective, slim case for your brand new iPhone 13, 13 Pro, or 13 Pro Max, and you want a case backed by a very reputable brand, you definitely can't go wrong with the OtterBox Symmetry case. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Any questions or comments about the OtterBox Symmetry case, let me know in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.